Have you ever wondered what loans are? They're just free money, right? Why do adults treat loans as some horrible thing when they're just free money?
Hello, we are $5 sisters.
I am little sister.
I'm a big sister.
So, big sister, how come loans are so bad? They're just free money, right?
Well, nobody really said the loans are bad. A loan is a little bit more complicated than that. Well, when you don't know, you know what to do. Let's Google up.
Loans. A thing that is borrowed, especially a sum of money that is expected to be paid back with interest. The average house price is $300,000 and the average car price is $40,000. Wait, so you have to pay the money back when you get it? But doesn't that just mean you have to pay the money back as soon as you get it?
Yeah, I mean, you need to pay back. Well, think about it. When you get the loan first place, you needed that money for whatever the reason. Whether you're buying house, car, whatever there might be, you needed the money, but you don't have it. So somebody borrowed the money. Now you are going to pay that money plus interest to whomever you borrow it from. It can be 1 year that you have to pay back, or it can be 30 years that you need to pay back. It all depends on what types of loan that you get it for.
Wait, from what I'm hearing, there's only one type of loan, money. Is that true?
Well, it's not exactly. Depends on what that loan is for. Like I explained it before, it differ. So it can be a house loan, such as mortgage, or a car loan, even credit card. That considered as a loan. So we'll talk about all those threes today.
Ooh, can you tell me more about these three loans?
Okay, well, let's go talk about mortgage first. Mortgage is for the house. That's a loan, right? When you get those house loan, you need that money because you don't have it. Maybe you only have a fraction of the money, which called down payment. So you need to put down pay for your house, yet the lump sum you were going to pay over a period of time. Usually, because a house, average house price for United States was, how much was it?
$300,000?
Yeah, $300,000. That's average. That's what they call it.
That's a lot of money.
That is a lot of money, and you need a house to live, or you rent a house. So you were going to pay that majority of time 30 years. That's a 30 years jumbo loan. But anyway, people pays the house over 30 years of the period.
Oh, okay. Well, then car loan just must be the same thing, right? It's just for the car.
Yeah, cars, it's the same. Car loan, it's the same thing, but it's a much shorter period of time because a car, yes, it is expensive, but it's not as expensive like houses. So instead of 30 years, most likely they can go by 2 years, 4 years. Average people who purchase a car, they usually go for 5 years loan.
Wait, so credit cards are loans too?
Yeah, believe it or not, credit card is loan. Bank is giving you limit or loan amount, which is maximum credit, to the card holder, which is you, for whatever you want to purchase. So basically that is considered personal loan, or they give you a credit card with the maximum amount of money that you can borrow it from the bank.
Wait, so couldn't I just buy a car with my credit card?
Actually, believe it or not, you can buy the car with a credit card. But here's a catch. Credit card interest rate is way higher than car loan. Why? Because a car loan, if you fail to pay those car payment, bank can go after your car. But credit card, in other words, they can't really go after your belonging because they give you limit for the money. So therefore, they can't. So it's more risky business for the bank. So therefore, they need to charge extra interest for those cards. And on top of that, credit card has late fee. Your basically agreement with the bank saying that, hey, you know what? up to a certain amount of money. If I use the money, I will pay back to you with the interest next month. That's your agreement. So next month come out, and then if you don't pay that amount you borrow, then they will going to charge you for the interest rate that you agree on, plus late fee. So has to be very wise how to use your credit card. If not, it can be very, very dangerous loan if you're not taking care of it.
Wait, did you hear that? Oh, I almost forgot. It's time for
Funny time! If you have a bunch of debt, pay it off.
If you have a credit card, spend a while.
If you have a bunch of loans,
Credit card,
such and so, pay it off before Dino head, but you are Joe! Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye!